Okay, this is my first attempt at making a video. There is no makeup magician standing around to make me look good, if that could even make a difference. My name is Michael James Lavolsi. I am an author of literary fiction. So how did I get to this point in my life? Being an author, that is. When I was 4 years old, I had a huge imagination. I put on puppet shows for my younger sister and cousins. Snap, Crackle, and Pop characters were popular back then. When the Rice Krispie box was empty and tossed out with the trash, I fetched it out of the can, cut around the outline of the three characters, taped the figures to my fingers, and stood behind the old wooden fence separating my grandmother's backyard from the alley. The puppets popped up and down on my command. After a while, I became a little more sophisticated. I used a large empty refrigerator box I dragged into the yard from down the alley in back of a small appliance store. I set the box upside down and cut round and square holes in it. By then, my mother bought me the real puppets, puppets with soft rubber heads and cloth bodies. Voila, I was in the entertainment business. I believe that is when I first started telling stories. Into my teens, I started playing piano and writing songs. In 1962, I recorded a 45 record. My record was released around the same time the Righteous Brothers recorded their first record. I got the gig as their opening act at the Cinnamon Cinder in San Diego. That was going to be my big break. But my record didn't sell much, so that was that. When I retired in 2006 after traveling around the world, I wrote my first novel. After hundreds of query letters to agents and publishers and rejection after rejection, it became clear that getting recognized, even with a good story, wasn't going to be easy. Finally, last year, I landed a publisher. I now have a first book released and a second book soon to be released. I'm trying to keep my expectations real. Recently, I met a retired Russian guy at the gym. He asked me what I did now that I'm retired. I said, I write fiction novels. He said in his deep, raspy Russian accent, "Everyone write book." And he's right. So now I write because I like to write stories, and I like to tell stories, not because I think at some point in time I'm going to get rich. That's about it. Ciao for now.